Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming account access and backing up anything you can lose. Once done, open the device where sync is active and go to Chrome or System Accounts. Make sure you're signed into the account you intend to reset. Next, pause sync or sign out to stop further changes propagating. This prevents accidental deletion across devices. While signed out, note any device-specific data that may not be in the cloud. These initial steps set a safe foundation for the reset process. Now focus on removing the synced data itself. From your Google account, open Data and Privacy and choose the appropriate deletion tools to clear web and app activity and synced items. In Chrome, go to Sync and Google Services, then manage what you sync and click Clear Data from Google servers to wipe browser sync. Make sure to also check Password Manager and revoke OAuth tokens for devices or apps you no longer trust. These steps remove the cloud copies while you control what remains locally. Finally, reconfigure how you want syncing to behave. Sign back into your Google account and selectively enable only the sync categories you need, bookmarks, history, or passwords, so you limit exposure. Make sure two-step verification and recovery info are current to protect the account. If sync fails or old data reappears, reset the browser profile, clear cached credentials, or use account recovery to regain control. Troubleshooting tip: if devices keep restoring data, fully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.